Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the new gem antenna from Actuna. According to Actuna, this is the smallest antenna in the world with circular polarization, so this is not your standard linear antenna. It's available in few versions, so first of all you can either get it with an RHCP or LHCP polarization. I've got the one with an RHCP polarization, and you can also get it with different connectors. I've got the IPX connector, but it's also available with an MMCX and also SMA and RP-SMA antenna connectors. The gem antenna is pretty light. It weighs only 2.2 grams, of course, for the IPX version. The length of the IPX connector is about 4 centimeters. And it's actually pretty interesting to see what we have under this plastic case. Since Actuna sent me a few of those, I'm just going to open up and see what we have inside. So first of all, I can tell you that this is a very tough antenna. I had to struggle with my pliers in order to remove the case, and still this part is very hard, and you can see that this is not a regular linear antenna. It's connected to these two metal plates which provide the polarization, and I think it's going to be very hard even to remove this plastic because this is a very tough material. Of course, this antenna is now ruined, but as I mentioned earlier, I have other antennas to test it with. So this is very hard to break, so they did a very good job, at least at this end. I think it's going to be very hard for you to destroy this antenna. So now I was able to peel a small piece. Let me try to do a little bit better. So after some more struggle, I managed to strip some more parts out of it. But you can see that this is a very tough antenna. I said it a couple of times that I'm really impressed with it. So you can see how it looks on the inside. So at least it passed the durability test. But now the most important question: how does it perform outdoors? So in this test, what I'm going to do, I'm going to compare the gem antenna with a simple linear antenna, the V-Race antenna from Actuna as well, and this antenna from Relay CC. In order to perform this test, I'm going to use my Hawk 5. I'm also going to test it with this Big Mac antenna from KremerFPV because it's already mounted. So first I'm going to fly it with this antenna, and then I'm going to fly it with the other antennas, and we're going to see how it's going to perform. This test is not 100% accurate because I won't be able to follow the exact path flying the quadcopter with each antenna, but I still think this is going to give us a general idea about the quality of each antenna. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.